So welcome in my second part of this series of tonal range and dynamic range. So in this part we will learn about how brightness, contrast, level and curve will work with this gradient map and all this 8-bit and raw files. And this video will continue in my third part of this series. Then if I go to adjustment, then levels, then you will get this dialog box, and this is the histogram as per the wallpaper, as you can see. And these are the values, these are the levels as we have discussed with you. 0 to 255, total 256 levels are there, and this is the output level. If I'm working with the output level, it means I'm working with the brightness. Let's see how it's work. Suppose uh, I am decreasing the level of output level, then you can see here on this right side of this image, it's mean I am shifting my this white point to this black point. So I'm putting in simple terms, I am putting more black to my white points. Similarly in this side, if I move this slider in the output level, then I am shifting my black point to this to gray. In simple terms, we are adding whites in the black. It's about brightness. In both concept, if I talk about this bright contrast and levels, in bright contrast, that you can see the result. Cancel. Then again go to this level. Then this output level is working as same as the brightness and contrast. So suppose I want to increase the contrast of this image. Later on, I will do all these experiment with the image click with the DSLR camera. This is all about you understand that I am using this wallpaper. It is very easy to understand how these values or these commands works, like brightness, contrast and all levels and curves. So if I want to work with the contrast by using levels, then I will move these sliders. That you can see it is there is increasing contrast. Contrast is simple. Put more black to the black point and put more white to the white points. So this is my white points. I'm adding more white, and you can see it's pure white. And if I'm moving this slider, you can see I am putting more black to the black points. It is gray center one. So this is the way that we use levels to enhance contrast or brightness. Now this time I will choose the curves. Curve is also doing the same thing as well as the brightness and the contrast. So then we have this diagonal line. If I move this diagonal line, then you will see the result. It's there is increasing of contrast if I'm moving these points. Suppose this is my original, and if I'm moving this black point to this point, then it means I'm increasing the contrast simply. If I'm moving this point to the upper side, and I'm simple working with this brightness, as you can see. So in this way you can easily understand how brightness, contrast, and tonal range works. In simple terms, tonal range is simple, that it's all about the black and maximum black point and the maximum white points, and in between there are points, there are levels. In JPEG there are 256 levels. In raw file generally we have 12-bit, 14-bit, 16-bit, and it's depend on the camera, and the mostly expensive camera has the more levels. More levels means we have more data, and it is our result will be very good and very fine if we are working with the Photoshop of and Lightroom. Thank you friends for watching this video, and later on I will put a tutorial on the original image as per my DSLR camera, and it is all about the understanding how tonal range works, and contrast and brightness values works with the image. So thank you friends, keep watching my tutorials, and you can contact me with on the Gmail. My Gmail contact is given in the below of this image. Thank you friends.